Hey Carter, what's going on over here? Is that a little baby bird? Oh, look, it's a baby bird. What is he doing? Should we leave him alone?
I'm trying to chase him.
Why do you want to chase him?
Because I like chasing birds. They're so silly. That's why I'm chasing him.
I think he's a little baby. Let's just leave him alone. Oh, look, he's flying. He's learning to fly. See that?
Is that the little baby bird?
Oh, he went over there. He's over there.
Oh, I'm going to follow him where he's going. He's learning how to fly.
Yeah. There he is.
Okay.
He's right down there.
Oh.
Right there. Right by your feet. Right by your feet. See him? He's probably getting tired. Probably getting a little bit tired.
Wow.
All right, let's leave him alone, okay?
No.
No?
No.
But he's so tired. He needs a nap.